Hi there, I'm Fixer Joe, and I'm here with homeowner Megan, who has a drywall repair / plaster repair due to water infiltration into the wall behind her dining room. So we're going to repair that drywall and plaster and fix that problem for her. So we'll show you the steps and help Megan out.
Tools needed for this job are framing square, utility knife, pencil, tape measure, chisel, hammer, pliers, drill bit, spade, putty knife. In this case we needed a angle grinder with a diamond blade, a little key saw there for the drywall, 4-foot level, a cordless drill with bit, and for our personal protection we had safety glasses, hearing protection, gloves, and respirator.
So as you can see, the hole is a little offset just to get all the water damage out and the old plaster out. It's not square or in good shape. So when we cut our drywall, or blue board in this case, you want to make sure that you have a square hole and you have a stud to attach to here on your corners. The plaster you have to use a grinder. Don't just try and use a putty knife or a utility knife. You want to use a grinder because plaster is full of sand and it will eat up your blades. And if you try a jigsaw, it will just cut through your blades. I've learned that the hard way. So we're going to go ahead and get this square first, see where our line is to cut, and then get it cleaned up and ready for the drywall. First thing I'm going to do is make sure our drywall or blue board is the right size. I measured the blue board and it's 3 foot, so we got plenty big enough here so I can make this as big as I want to. So first off is we're going to get square. Can you help me out here, Megan? Put this here. Let's go right to the bottom of this. Right to the bottom of the hole so we don't have to cut out any more than we have to. And then your edge of your square. So you want this flat on here so this will make your hole square. To start a line, just give it an edge there. Okay. So now we got a nice straight edge there. So you don't have a 4-foot level, a 2-foot one will do as well. And we went on the center of your stud there, so you have the nailing surface for your new piece. Bubble right in between the lines. That means you are plumb. So we're plumb. We're just gonna put a nice line there. So that's our vertical. And we don't necessarily need to be level, but we want to be square with the wall. So we put this right on the line there. And the line, just transfer that line over in your section. So this bit is what we have to cut out yet. And we used an angle grinder. And you could score it with a utility knife. If you don't have an angle grinder, if you want to go ahead and purchase one of these, you could score it and then cut through the paint and the outside paper there, and then use a chisel and then knock it out, chip it away. It's a little messier that way, but we're going to use an angle grinder because we have the tools. And then donning the respirator. It's dusty. Megan's going to follow up with the shop vac because this thing is very dusty. Okay, as you can see, cut out through that lath there, and we're going to just bust that off. Break that off there. Yeah, we're taking out all this old plaster board here. Good old sharp utility knife, get a sharp blade on there. Cut into that. drywall out. There you go. So we got a cleaner corner here. Some good nailing surface.